If you sell in eBay categories or subcategories with a lot of competition, including a subtitle could help your listings to stand out. Here's why. For some types of products, it's usual to see additional information in the subtitles. Subtitles give you extra space where you can sell your product. Shoppers see it under your title when they visit your listing. If they're browsing on a desktop, they also see it on search results pages. Many people use it to show extra information about the product. Others use it to advertise free postage, that they're a UK-based seller, or anything else they think matters to customers. Adding a subtitle is a listing upgrade, so there is an extra fee to pay if you decide to use one. Check your eBay shop subscription level because a listing upgrade credit may be available. It's worth checking other listings in your category or subcategory to see whether your competitors are using them. If they are, it could be time to consider adding subtitles to your listings. Find out when new tips are published, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.